So these things are going on. Why research? Everything is there in the Bhagavad Gita. Everything is explained and commented by so many great stalwart, it's a commentator, especially Siddhar Swami, Ramanujacharya, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Baladev Vidyabhushan, so many great scholars, they have commented upon Bhagavad Gita. So try to understand Bhagavad Gita as it is. That is the real necessity of life. That we have explained several times. This human form of life. Narottam Das Thakur says that Hari Hari Bifale Janama Goin. My dear Lord Hari, I have simply spoiled my life. Bifale Janama, Hari Hari Bifale Janama Goin. I have wasted my time. Why? Manusya Janama Paiya Radha Krishna Na Bhujiya. Janiya Suniya Besu Khaim. I got this nice human form of body, especially for worshipping Radha and Krishna, but I have not done that. Therefore, willingly I have drunk poison. Janiya Suniya Besu Khaim. Golokera Premadhana Harinama Sankirtana. The Sankirtan movement is not manufactured in this material world. It is released from Vaikuntha, the spiritual world. Golokero Premadhano. Otherwise, why you are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna? It is not material sound. Any material sound, you chant thrice, you will be tired. But you go on chanting Hare Krishna mantra 24 hours, you will never be tired. Therefore, it is not a sound of this material world. It is the sound of the spiritual world. Golokera Premadhana. Harinama Sankirtana. Rotina Janimila Kanata. I am not attracted to this. This is the lamentation of Narottam Das Thakur Vaishnava. Bishaya Bishanale Divaneshi Hiyajale. In this material existence, this eating, sleeping, mating and defending with this business, always my heart is burning. Bishaya Bishanale Divaneshi Hiyajale. Toribare na koi upay. I did not make any means to get out of this. Golokero Premadhana. Therefore, indirectly he is giving hint that human life is meant for worshipping Radha Krishna and chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This is the subject matter of Krishna consciousness movement. To understand that Krishna is the supreme. Matta Paratanang Nanya Kinchijasti Dhananjaya. Here, Arjuna is addressed as Dhananjaya. Dhananjaya means the richest man who has conquered over wealth. In other sense, only Dhananjaya, a person who has conquered over wealth, he can understand that Krishna is the supreme personality of God. Dhananjaya, Arjuna's another name is Dhananjaya, because after battle of Kurukshetra there was no money. So, by the order of Maharaj Yudhishthira, he brought from the Himalaya range a great quantity of gold so that he could expend them for performing Aswamedh Yajna, Rajsya Yajna. So therefore from that person this title was given by Maharaj Yudhishthira to Arjuna, Dhananjaya. So, Mai Sarvamidang Prutam. The example is very nice. Mai Sarvamidang Prutam Sutre Mani Ganaiva. Just like pearls. The pearls, take it, pearl is round. And the universes are also round. So, all these universes are staying. Matsani Sarva Bhutani. Krishna said, Matsani Sarva Bhutani Nahang Teshu Avastita. So everything is resting on Krishna. In another place he says that I am sustaining all these planets. Of course we understand law of gravitation according to our theory. But actually, according to Vedic description, the Sankarshan is sustaining all these planets. So anyway, it is to be understood. Just like all the planets are floating in the air in weightlessness. How this weightlessness come? That is explained here. Mai, it is resting on me, Krishna says. Mai, sarvavidam prutam sutre mani ganaya. So he is the ultimate cause. He is the cause of all causes. Sarva karana karanam, parama, Ishara, the supreme controller. In this way you have to understand Krishna. Then our life will be successful. Because this human life is meant for understanding Krishna. Vedaishta sadvai ahameva vedyam. This is the real knowledge. Unless you come to this real knowledge, your life is unsuccessful. Therefore Krishna says, Bahunam janmanamant. Those who will not accept me in one life, he has to wait for many, many lives, but to come to this conclusion, that Vasudeva Sarvamiti, Sa Mahatma. If you actually want to become Mahatma, then you have to come to this point, that Vasudeva Sarvamiti. That is Mahatma. Mahatma does not mean by simply changing this dress. Mahatma means who understands Krishna. He is Mahatma. Because his soul is increased in dimension to understand Krishna. Vasudeva Sarvamiti Sama Mahatmanastamang Prartha Daivi Prakriti Masrita. As soon as you become Mahatma, then you are no longer under the control of this material nature. That is also confirmed. Mami vaja pravadanti mayame tang taranti. Devijji sagunamai mama maya duratte. Otherwise, you have to remain under the clutches of Maya and punished by him. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhog vancha kare. Pasete maya tare japotiya dhare. These are simple Bengali poetries by Vaishnavas. That as soon as you desire to enjoy your senses, that enjoyment of senses will not give you happiness. That is our practical experience. Anybody, call anybody who is engaged in sense gratification, ask him, are you happy? He will never say. We are practically seeing. These Europeans and Americans, they have enough sense gratification. Sense gratification means money and woman. So they have got enough of it. Why they are after me rejecting this? Because sense gratification will never give you satisfaction. That is false satisfaction. Real satisfaction is when you satisfy Krishna. That is satisfaction. Krishnendriya tripti vancha dhare prem na. Atmendriya tripti vancha tar naam kam. When you want to satisfy your senses, then you are under the clutches of calm, lust. But the same endeavor, when you want to satisfy the senses of Krishna, that is called prem or bhakti. So Krishna is personally teaching why we should satisfy Krishna. Because there is no more greater authority than Krishna. We are trying to serve here greater authority. Everyone of us. We are going to office, we are going to party meeting, we are going to be elected president. So what is that? That I assure that I shall satisfy your senses. You want this, I shall give you. Please elect me. Everyone is trying to satisfy the senses. Either of oneself, he is giving false promise. Actually, he wants to satisfy his own senses. As soon as he becomes minister, he will satisfy his own senses. But he is getting elected by promising to satisfy your senses. But the sense gratification is going on, but there is chaos because the point is missing. There is no activity for satisfying senses of Krishna. That is the defect of the modern civilization. Therefore one should learn that you are satisfying the senses of others. Try to satisfy the senses of Krishna, because there is no more greater authority than Krishna. We are satisfying the sense of greater authority, that's all. Or my senses. Because my senses are also greater authority. Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moha, Matsarya. These are very strongly dictated me. Do this. I don't want to do this. My conscience is beating. But my calm by lust is forcing me. So this is my position. So in this position I will never be satisfied. If you understand that Krishna is the supreme authority and my only duty is to satisfy Krishna, then your life will be successful. Thank you very much.